So this is the Atco Lawnmower 16 SH. This is powered by a Honda 160cc GCV overhead cam engine. So it's a 4-stroke engine. You just need to put unleaded fuel in the fuel tank and away we go. It's actually got an automatic choke on it. So you just literally pull the handle, pull the cord, and away you go. There's no levers or anything to use to put the machine on to choke. Okay, so this machine has a really nice, simple, easy to use single point height of cut adjustment. It goes from 20 to 70 mil and it has 5 individual steps between that. We have a really large 55 litre grass collector, and a nice feature on the grass collector is the full bag warning indicator. The bag comes off nice and simply, like so, and if I spin the machine around, you can see that we have a full width roller going from edge to edge of the machine. As you can see, we have an anti-scalp plate on the front of the mower, and this is great when we're using it on the lower settings so that we don't scalp the grass on undulating lawns. A great feature on the Honda engine is the fuel shutoff valve. That's great for when you want to store the machine with a dry carburettor.
For peace of mind, this Atco machine, subject to servicing, has 5 years manufacturer's warranty, which is supported by ServiceLink helpline and 600 approved ServiceLink dealers across the UK and Ireland. The ServiceLink dealers will support with any warranty needs and ongoing maintenance you may require.